Today we're going to take this 2013 MK6 Jetta and we're going to fix those ugly wheel covers. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is take them off of the car and you have to inspect them. You need to get these cleaned up so that you can begin to prime them. The primer that you buy at the store is just the base that the paint sticks to. So you have to get all the grease off of them or the primer doesn't adhere to it very well. So you can see me here that I'm just scrubbing them. This is the primer. I bought it on sale at Walmart because someone dented the can or I don't know what, doesn't matter. Okay, so I've made this handy plywood hanger so that I have a backing, and I'm just gonna take the spray paint and I'm gonna go side to side about 7 or 8 inches away. You follow the instructions on the can basically, you know. And the important thing is don't ever stop in the middle, always end going past it. Now I'm gonna rotate it so I can make sure I'm getting everything evenly. Okay, there's been half an hour of drying. I'm gonna rotate this one last time, and then the top coat is going to get applied. So there were 2 base coats, and then this is the 3rd and final coat. Now it has dried overnight and it's time to paint the silver. I'm going to use silver paint, but you could also use Wheelcover chrome colored paint. I'm going to put a link for that in the description of this video for an affiliate link. And now the clear coat to protect it all, particularly with the UV protection. Also, if you want, and I didn't care, you can wet sand it in between with 2000 grit sandpaper. Rotate it and then add another coat. I bought these VW emblems off of Temu for $4 for 4 of them, and those just stick right on in the middle. Perfect. And a side-by-side comparison before and after.